So I am so sorry I haven't been on here lately. You know, I have family, have work, and I've been sick lately, getting over this stomach cold. So I am back. I am mostly on my Loving Yourself channel, because I post more videos over there. And my skits, I do lots of skits, and stuff like that. I'm gonna definitely try to do some skits on this channel. I just wanted to like get straight to the point about how to make money, how to make $3,000 a week. It is very easy, but it takes a lot of work. So I'm not gonna come on here and say you're gonna make $3,000 in a week and just work 8-hour shifts. No, you're gonna be working like 16-hour shifts. I'm not saying you're gonna work 16-hour shifts every day, but depending, like me, I go on ShiftKey. ShiftKey is really popular in most states. Lots of facilities pay, but remember you have to do your own taxes and stuff like that. You know, put that, you always want to be in the clear. But I encourage you guys to download the ShiftKey app. I'm not affiliated with them in no type of way, but I encourage you, if you want to make the maximum amount of money, even while you are working a regular job, on your days off. When you download the app, upload your information, your CNA license, all the states that you have license in. Say for instance, you go visit one of your family or friends and you decide, hey, I want to go ahead and work in that state for a little while. You could go ahead and switch it to that state that you're in and see the facilities that are there, that listed there. And some of the facilities are going to pay $25, $30, $40. It depends what state and what area you're in. So I encourage you guys to download that app. Definitely download the Nursa app. What's another app that's very good? Clipboard. Clipboard is really good. What I like the difference with Clipboard and ShiftKey. Clipboard is like, you have to be fast. There will be shifts on there. Sometime I saw a shift on there the other day for $57 an hour. I was at work. I was at work that day and I was just like, oh my gosh, if I wasn't at work, I will pick up this shift so bad, like so fast. And it's like I wanted it so bad. I was like, why am I at work? So anyway, download Clipboard. You have to be quick. You have to be like really paying attention because they'll. It's like almost 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm making this video. I was like, I gotta make this video because I've been like MIA, missing in action. So, but because I was sick. But anyway, I encourage you guys to download as many apps as you can. But the main one that is going to bring you money, even though you have to take out your own taxes and stuff like that, but you're not thinking about that right now. You just think about making some money that you can pay your bills, right? And make as much money as you can. So I would say download the app, whatever state you're in, just look at the different facilities. At first, if you're new, it's gonna be a little difficult because it goes by score. Because when I first downloaded ShiftKey, I was just like, why isn't, like, facilities was popping up. I'm like, why are they not accepting me? What's going on? I was like, is there some type of point thing? And then somebody told me. And then after a while, a facility accepted me. And then my points went up. And it kept going. Once you on time, you show up, you don't call out a lot, your points go up. The more you call out, the more you don't. Well, now they have it after February 26th. They have, if you do a no call, no show, if you do a no call, no show, they will deactivate your account. And I don't know what else happens after that, but they'll just deactivate your account. So try not to do that. Try to show up for your shifts And if you can't make it to your shift, they have on there, you can scroll down, you can put cancel. Sometime if you cancel within 72 hours, they have a little like personal illness, family illness, other, rather not say, just all these lists of things that you might be calling out for. So less than 72 hours, they'll still do the cancellation, but I don't think they'll give you those prompts like that. But if it's like, I think every 20, so, I'm so sorry. If it's 72 hours or more, then it will give you those lists, and you could just pick one and just cancel your shift, and no points will be taken away from you. But if you do it less than that, like 48 hours, then probably 1 or 2 points will be taken away from you. But you always want to make sure your points is 100 points, because then they'll be like, then facilities are more like quicker to accept you than you not having a score. You having a low score is like your score shows them how reliable you really are. So if your score is low, you might have some problems. If you just starting out, you will have a facility that, you know, is desperate for someone and will take a chance on you and say, okay. And then your score goes up from there. So that's the great thing. And also, after you, like, say you with a facility that you, like, really just go to often on shift keying, eventually they will favorite you. And then after they favorite you, instead of you waiting for them to accept your shift, it will automatically have like a blue, like a thunder lightning icon. And then you could just accept, like you could just click it and they'll automatically accept you. So it's like, it's called instant accept. So if you see that blue lightning icon, then you're like, okay, I could click this. But before you click it, I would recommend, if it automatically accepts, still go ahead and bid. Because sometimes, say for instance, the facility is paying $25.50. I would try to boost it all the way to $30. Now, sometimes if you try to boost it all the way to $30, it might say it can't go or something like that. Then you just try best, deduct 25 cents, 50 cents, and kind of bring it down to like, okay, maybe they'll do 27, maybe they'll do 26. Sometimes they'll go up to 27 and just instantly accept it. I think, you know, that I've tried that before, so, and it worked that way, and their facilities accept you. So it's important to take your job serious, come on time, show up for these residents because they need you. They need you. Take care of them well, treat them with respect. Treat these residents like your family, okay? You can't be talking down to them, talking crazy. Some of these residents will curse you out. And you have to humble yourself and not get carried away. This is not people you see in the street and all that stuff. These are people. This is people that you work with. These are people that you take care of. So treat people with respect. If you want to be a CNA, go to school. There's tons of schools out there. If you are just doing it for the money, don't be a CNA. Because it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of dedication. It takes a lot of patience. You know, I've seen people argue with residents, and I'm like, what? Like, what are you doing? Like, why would you ever argue with a resident? For what? Because they're getting on your nerves? No, you don't do that. Don't go down to people level. Be the bigger person. And be humble. Humble yourself. Know how to shut your mouth when you need to. Do your job and go home. Okay? That is all you need to do. So I encourage you guys to stay strong. Stay happy. And download the ShiftKey app. Download Clipboard. Do the things that you need to do for your life to improve your life, because I am rooting for you. Okay? If you want to further your education, then there are schools out there. There's like Herzing. I was like kind of nervous not to go to Herzing. I'm like, you can't really worry about reviews and stuff like that. So go to school, further your education, do something great with your life. If you want to stay a CNA, hey, stay a CNA. It doesn't matter. Once you love your job, not what your family think, not what your friends think, what you want to do with your life, then it's okay. As long as you feel like you paying your bills, you taking care of your family, you showing up for your family, you still going on your vacations, being able to save up money for any emergency, and you feel like CNA is where you need to be, and you don't want to have the headache or like more responsibility, then hey, stay a CNA. And there is nothing wrong with that. Don't let nobody discourage you and make you feel less than, okay? Stay strong. I love you guys. Remember, love yourself first. Definitely check out my other channel, Loving Yourself First. It's not going to be over here posted, but definitely check out Loving Yourself First. There's lots of skits on there, lots of other videos. So that's it, you guys. I made my video for you guys because I wanted to show up for you guys. I love you guys and love yourself first. Bye.